Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, yes, it's my favorite box. What does that mean? We are here to unbox our curl box for the month of February. For those of you who are not familiar, I will leave all the details down below, including the website, and let you know exactly when the list opens up. Trust me, you'll want to get on that list. Okay, so our curl box for the month of February, our theme is a love letter to your hair. Okay, and it says this month we're drafting a love letter to your hair with the help of My Black is Beautiful. The vitamin rich blue ginger collection is the dream team your hair needs to remove impurities from your scalp and restore moisture to your hair. You are the beginning of all things. You deserve everything. All right, so let's just jump in and see what's in the box. Now, the first thing that we have was actually on the outside of the box, and that is this item right here. This is the wide flow through detangler, and this is from Evolve, and it says you deserve an upgrade. Now this is a no slip grip handle, and it says control bar adjusts width. Now this one is by Evolve. All right, and as I stated, all the same items are here to actually get you started, and I am loving this. It says for curly, coily, thick, and wavy hair. The Evolve Wide Flow Through Detangling Brush is designed to detangle curly, coily, and wavy hair smoothly and gently. This brush features flexible bristles for easy separation and detangling. Okay, so this is the first item, too big to actually go inside the box. So that is how we will be starting off. Then the next item that we have, of course, is Blue Ginger Clarifying Scalp Shampoo, and this is by My Black is Beautiful, and it says reset your scalp and remove impurities with this antioxidant rich formula. This cleanser is infused with tea tree oil and provides a clean base to moisturize. Okay, now this is a 9.6 fluid ounce size, and it says there are no sulfates, parabens, or silicone. This is what they call the scalp care. Okay, so I will be on the lookout for the expiration date because it is not actually showing up on the bottle. It does have a QR code on it, so I will check and see if that information is listed there. Okay, so this is our first item. The second item that we have is the Tangle Slayer Conditioning Cream. All right, and it says this is for type 4 coily hair, golden milk with honey and coconut oil. There are no sulfates and no parabens. This is a 6.3 fluid ounce size. Okay, I love their packaging. Oh, this is sealed very, very well. Okay, how about that seal on the top? I'm looking forward to trying out this product right here. It says our most intense conditioning cream that locks in moisture and strengthens the hair for maximum detangling and curl softening. All right. Designed for thicker, coily type 4 hair, okay? And this is item number 2. The next item that we have is the scalp care, and this is the intensive restorative mask. All right. And it says this is blue ginger with birch water. Once again, no sulfates and no parabens. This is a 5.7 fluid ounce size. And it says our intensive mask moisturizes and nourishes hair, helping to restore hair health after the first use. Okay. I'm here for it. Definitely here for it. Now, this one does have an expiration date on the top, and it says February 2024, okay? So, oh my. Oh, it smells so nice. Yes, it has this really nice, fresh kind of smell to it. Oh, that's nice. Okay. I'm gonna keep going. All right, so this is item number 3. Then the next item that we have is also the scalp care, and this one is the invigorating scalp scrub, and it says this pre-poo treatment is vitamin infused scalp scrub, gently exfoliates to remove dirt, oil, and product buildup. Okay, and this one is a 4.2 fluid ounce size. And let's see which order this one comes in. Our vitamin infused scalp scrub gently exfoliates to remove dirt, oil, and product buildup, improving scalp condition while you wash. Okay, and with this one, you put the tip right to the scalp so that you can get down real good right at the scalp of the hair. Okay, blue ginger. Okay, so that one is item number 4. Then the last item that we have is the intense recovery treatment. And it says this hydrating mask restores health at first use. We recommend using this mask weekly to replenish your curls. Okay? Now, no sulfates, no parabens. It's a 5.7 ounce size. Okay, and it is saying that it replenishes and repairs hair to improve manageability and shine. The intense formula strengthens hair and restores moisture after the first use. Look at here, y'all. I am very excited about this one. Oh, this blue ginger is amazing. This one is really thick. I'm trying to squeeze it up. But look, I don't want to do too much because I want to make sure that I get the full use out of this. Tell me what your thoughts are. Now, for me, one of the reasons, which you already know, why I love CURLBOX so very much is because they make it a point to keep us in the know, but we get full-size products. Right here, I have 5 products and a tool. I'm here for it. And this month's products seem to cater to, although it can be used with others, but this one caters to the 4C type hair. Just about everything we've read with regards to these products say they target the issues that are had by people who have a 4C hair, okay? So I'm kind of excited to try this. It smells amazing. We have plenty of product here, that's for sure, okay? So let me just ask you, are you as excited as I am to have full-size products delivered in such a way? This right here, I usually just put the price down below, but I want to tell you, this system right here, I'm going to actually put the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything at the end. But right now, let me just tell you, in order for you to receive products this way, through CURLBOX, it's $25 per month. Now, that's for everything that I showed you here. Now, the only additional charge is for shipping and handling, and that's $5. $5? Come on now. So you're talking about to receive everything from them right to your door is $30. For you to go to the store, I promise you, I don't know what the full manufacturer suggested amount is just yet, because I do some research and I go in and I check to see exactly what the amount is for each of these, but I will post it, okay? And then when you have a chance, you check that amount out against this one. Let me just pause and tell you, last month's box was valued over $100, but yet we only paid $30. Okay, so I'm just trying to get you ready for something like this. Now, I do want to tell you that if you are not in a position where you wash your hair enough to use all of this each and every month, or you may not be fortunate enough to get on the list, they do have a non-subscription box. They do have a non-subscription box each month where you can just purchase that one, a la carte, non-subscription, whichever one you wish to call it. They are not at this price. However, you best believe you still will be saving a very nice amount of coin, okay? So, even bendable dollars, okay? I'm just saying. So, let me know your thoughts down below. I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our February CURLBOX, okay? These are the items that were enclosed, and down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that is inside, okay? Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share. Put someone else in the know. I may not be able to reach everybody, so share, okay? Share the information. Let them know about CURLBOX, okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.